So Genspark AI just released a new feature called Genspark AI Docs, and basically it is claimed to be the world's first full agentic AI document with native support for both rich text and markdown. And this could be the Google Docs killer from what I can see. So you can create a document like, for example, a legal document, financial proposal, cost benefit, or some creative document by just sending a simple prompt. Although of course you still need to double check the content that was created by AI, but it will save you hours of work. And if you can use this AI tool, it will save you tons of time and energy. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this AI tool to create a document with just a simple prompt. First, you can navigate to genspark.ai and you can log in with your account. And right now, this feature is open for everyone. You don't have to be in the Pro subscribers. Even a free user can still enjoy Genspark AI Docs. And then here you can navigate to AI Docs, or you can also click this button. It doesn't matter which one to use. In this case, I'll select this AI Docs. And by the way, I just created one document right here. So I created an IKEA nightstand manual, and yeah, it is something that you can do. You can create a documentation like this one, and I'm surprised that it looks really good. It is not just a basic or black and white document. It has some nice visual elements, and it is very structured, although still need to double check if the content was actually right, because sometimes AI can still hallucinate, so a human supervision is still required. But overall, I would say the design looks amazing, and it was done in just 1 or 2 minutes, which is again really amazing. Now let's go back to Genspark again. So here is what Genspark AI Docs look like. You can start creating a document from here, and there are some examples that were created by other people and also by Genspark. You can use them as a template, but you can also just start a new document based on your description. So here I will try to create a proposal document using Genspark AI Docs, and this is the prompt that I'm going to use. It's quite a long prompt. Let me show you the prompt. Okay, so this is the prompt. Okay, it's very long, don't worry about that. It's just one example, but you don't actually have to write this long, because you can always follow up if you want to change anything. You can always tell AI to change that, or you can still manually change the content, because there is this section of text editor. You can make the text bold, italic, underline. You can adjust the size of the font, etc. So it's still very much editable. Now I'm going to select rich text, so it will enable some nice visual element, but you can also get a basic content using the markdown format. Now let's select rich text, and you can also upload a picture or maybe a document to accompany your prompt if you want to, but I'm not going to do that at the moment. Let's send a message and just wait for Genspark to create the full document in just a few minutes. And by the way, if you're using the free version of Genspark, you're getting 200 credits a day, and usually you only spend maybe 50 to 100 credits for a document. It could be less or more, but usually I would say every day you can create 1 or maybe even 2 documents this way. So I think you will be very benefited by this AI tool. Anyway, this process will take quite some time, and I'll just be back when it is done. Alright, so it is done. It is actually much quicker than I expected, and this is what the document looks like. I would say it looks quite nice. It is something that could be used for a document proposal, and that's exactly the goal of this prompt. And yeah, I would say it's amazing. And if you want to change anything, there's always access for some tools right here. You can make the text look different, change the font, change the text size, length. You can also add some pictures, change the color, etc. And if you want to download the document, you can click this button, and you have some options to export a document as HTML, docx or Word document, or PDF. And by the way, you can download any format right now without having to subscribe. That's really amazing. You can access, you can download the content without having to pay for anything, which is something that not usually easily find these days. But yeah, I really appreciate that Genspark is not locking this download feature to only Pro subscribers. So go ahead, use AI Docs in Genspark to create documents in seconds, not hours. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.